fellow skincare enthusiasts, Jea Chan. Hey guys, good evening. I still have makeup. Eyebrow products are still intact. I have a little bit of blush on left. The concealer is still there, and BB cushion. Now I will be using the Kojie San Skin Lightening Cleanser Plus Toner for the first time as a cleanser, because it is not the first time that I've been using it as a toner. So this time I will assess, and you will see as well if it will work as a cleanser. So when I double cleanse, I use a reusable cotton pad, because when we have makeup, we tend to use a lot of cotton pads. You can see there's a bubble on, it's a little bit soapy. Okay. Okay. Oop. Okay. It removed quite a lot of product. So here's my face without makeup and still with makeup. So as you can see, my under eye is a little bit depressed here, sunken here compared to this area. This still has concealer. Let's continue in the other side using half of the cotton pad. So I was able to consume back to back of the cotton pad. So there's a lot of product it has removed. This time I will cleanse my face again with a cleanser, and then after I cleanse, I will use this one again as a toner. Now that I'm done, I'll be using the Kojie San Cleanser Toner as a toner this time. Okay, it's a little bit soapy on my face. So there's a little bit of product, makeup product, that I was able to remove. Hey guys, another day of using the Kojie San Skin Lightening Cleanser and Toner. This time, I won't be using a disposable cotton pad. I will use my hand only, and I will pat the product in my face, because sometimes I don't want to use a cotton pad so that I will not overstrip the moisture of my skin, especially in my face, because I've already cleansed with my gel cleanser. So this time, I will just set the product inside my face with a gentle slap. So the product will set in, and for blood circulation, then I will do my makeup. And there are nights that I use this one, and I top it off with this Kojie San Skin Lightening Face Cream at night. And this one really matches this one, because this one is truly hydrating, and this one is very moisturizing as well. And this is almost empty. Forget in the morning after this one, I use the sunscreen from Glutasea, which I have already reviewed in this channel in the previous upload. If you already have the Kojie San Skin Lightening Face Cream with SPF, that's also perfect match for this. I believe there is a set that includes this one, and the Kojie San face cream with SPF already. And for my final thoughts of using this product, I think for almost 3 weeks now, I can say that this works as a toner for me more than a cleanser, because I am already used to using a gel type or foam type cleansers at home, because I put on sunscreen daily and I also apply makeup. This one is not enough as a cleanser for me, because I really have to double cleanse. So it works as a toner for me, and I can say it is non-drying. It does not strip away the moisture of my skin. I don't feel any irritation at all. Yes, it is hydrating and moisturizing as well. because of its ingredients that is, true to its claim, a hydrating and moisturizing ingredient. Though this product claims to be suitable for all skin types, I can say, well, for me, it is best for dry skin type and acne prone skin type. Dry skin type because it has lasting hydration and moisturization effect on the skin. And for acne prone because if you are acne prone, you need to hydrate and moisturize your face, your skin. Helps decrease its size and helps the acne heal faster. For our next video, I'll be sharing my thoughts on the Glutasea Intense Whitening Face and Body Soap and my experience while using the product in the next video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like this video, share this to your friends. Please do check the description box. The details are listed down below on where you can purchase Asian beauty products, Glutasea, Kojie San, and Arbutin, and also Belo, only at Minaco Online Beauty official website. Please do follow them on their social media pages, Instagram and Facebook, so you'll be notified and you will be updated on latest promos, new Asian beauty products, especially if you are living outside Philippines, abroad. It will be very convenient for you to try these products because you can purchase this on Minaco Online Beauty official website. And I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. And I hope if you want more from me, I'm on YouTube, Jea Chan, on Instagram at It's Jea Chan, and on TikTok at It's Jea Chan. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!